So students, after covering up your basics, I'll now start with your syllabus, and in it first of all I'll start this chapter hydrogen chloride. Before that, I want you all to know that these 4 chapters have an important weightage for your board exams. Clear? This hydrogen chloride, ammonia, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. These chapters are commonly known as study of compounds. Okay. So what all we'll study here in all these 4 chapters is, first of all we'll study its preparation, then we will study its physical properties, we will study its chemical properties, and then finally its test and uses. Okay. Physical properties you can avoid to some extent because those are not asked generally. What you have to mainly deal in these 4 chapters is their preparation and their chemical properties. Both of these are very important in all these 4 chapters. Clear? What you will have to grab more is its chemical properties and its preparation. Preparation can be of 2 types: industrial preparation and laboratory preparation. Industrial preparation will be at a larger scale and laboratory preparation for a smaller scale production. So finally we'll start with the first chapter in this compounds, that is hydrogen chloride. So hydrogen chloride, for its preparation in chapter 2 covalent bonding, you have studied that H is having 1 valence electron and chlorine is having 7 valence electrons. I am showing this by a cross. Now hydrogen needs to complete its duplet and chlorine need to complete its octet. What these both atoms will do, they will form a bond by sharing of electrons. So this bond so formed by the sharing of electrons is known as covalent bond. Covalent bond basically means this electron is mine also and your also. For chlorine, this electron is its also and hydrogen's also. Okay, so in covalent bond the electron is mine also, here also, this way it goes on. Then here you can see this diagram, this is dot diagram or Lewis diagram, and then here this is orbital diagram. You just go through it, that is very easy. Then earlier this HCl was named as muriatic acid, then finally scientist Davy named it as hydrochloric acid. Earlier it was known as muriatic acid, then it was known as hydrochloric acid. In occurrence it is given that it is found in free state in volcanic eruptions or volcanic emissions, and this HCl is also secreted in our stomach in the form of gastric juice.